1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is one of the most iconic American cars of all time, embodying the spirit of post-war optimism and innovation. Its story begins in the mid-1950s, when Chevrolet's designers and engineers sought to create a car that would captivate the American public. Chevrolet's chief designer, Harley Earl, envisioned a vehicle that would combine sleek styling, advanced technology, and impressive performance. The result was the 1955 Chevrolet, which introduced the now famous Tri-5 body style. However, it was the 1957 model that truly cemented the Bel Air's status as an American icon. The 1957 Bel Air boasted a bold, futuristic design, with distinctive fins, chrome accents, and a sweeping grille. Its sleek lines and vibrant colors made it an instant attention grabber on American roads. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Bel Air packed a punch, thanks to its powerful V8 engine options, including the legendary 283 cubic inch unit. The 1957 Bel Air was also notable for its innovative features, such as the optional automatic transmission, power steering, and brakes. Its interior was equally impressive, with luxurious amenities like vinyl upholstery, dashboard trim, and push-button radio. The 1957 Bel Air's impact extended beyond the automotive world. It became a cultural symbol, representing the freedom and optimism of 1950s America. It appeared in films, television shows, and music, cementing its status as an enduring American icon. Today, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air remains highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Its timeless design, impressive performance, and historical significance make it a cherished relic of America's golden age of automobile manufacturing. Restoration and preservation efforts have ensured that many 1957 Bel Airs continue to thrive, with owners meticulously maintaining their vehicles to showcase their original beauty. The 1957 Bel Air's legacy extends beyond its own model year, influencing generations of car designers and enthusiasts. As a testament to its enduring appeal, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air continues to captivate audiences, inspiring new generations of car enthusiasts and solidifying its place in American automotive history.